have 53 containers serving the whole region. And we have Kcpe centers 2019. And then we have Kepsea centers 2,472. Now, candidature for Kcpe, we have 125,296, mostly 50-50%. Now we have 137,945 Kepsea children or candidates. Also, percentage in terms of gender is also 50-50. Is set of the rains that is pouring. We are not in any way worried about what we have done. We are looking forward as a region to have well-coordinated management and administration national exams. As we are going on now, in all the distribution centers, the 53 distribution centers, exams are being dispatched now. We're not behind the schedule. We are just there by the schedule. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, we've not had such a thing. The area has been conducive, the area has been peaceful, and we are not expecting any insecurity issue now that we've not been having it in the recent past. It has taken some time. And we don't want anyway, by the way, insecurity in Lamu is not welcomed. And anywhere else, we don't want any interruption to education processes.